Okay, today we're going to be looking at expanding brackets. So this is what we're going to be looking at today. So let's get into it. So we're going to look at this example where it's 3 bracket a plus 2. Now all that means is that that whole bracket is multiplied by 3, the 3 in front of it. So we're going to draw some bars to represent these things. So the first a comes from that a there. And then we've got plus 2 here that comes from this bit here. So that's our bracket that we've written at the top. Now the thing that we're multiplying it by is by what's in front. And that's the 3. Okay, so we're going to treat it kind of as a little multiplication table. So if we look at the next bit, we're going to look at the left-hand rectangle there. So the left-hand rectangle, if we go 3 times a, we get 3a. And if we look at the right rectangle, we've got 3 times 2, and that equals 6. So that is actually is 3a plus 6. So to expand brackets, we multiply the number in front to both the things inside the brackets. So we're going to look at some examples. Okay, let's look at this one first. So the first thing we're going to do is take the first two things. So we've got 4 times f, and we say that's 4f, of course. And then we've got a plus in the middle, or we're going to treat that as plus 2. And then we've got 4 times 2, and that's equal to 8. So our answer is 4f, there's a plus in the middle, so we're going to put plus 8. Let's look at another example, slightly different because there's a minus in between. We can deal with that at the end. So again, at the beginning, we've got 2 times h equals 2h, and 2 times 3 equals 6. So we've got 2h and 6. However, because of that minus in the middle there, we're going to put minus in the middle there as well. This one's a little bit different again, just because it's got a w here as well. But if we look at those just as we would, so we're going to take 5w first, and we're going to multiply it by w. Now if you can remember your algebra multiplication rules, so we've got just a 5 at the front, and w times w is w squared, because you've got a w1 there and a w1 there, so that makes w squared. Now we're going to take this 5w again, and we're going to multiply by what's last in the brackets, which is the 7. So now we multiply our numbers together. 5 times 7 is 35. How many w's have I got there? Just the 1. So we've got 5w squared and 35w. Let's check what sign's in the middle of it. We've got a plus there, so we're going to put plus. And that's how we expand.